Welcome to Breaking Ties, Is Divorce the Answer? This is your go-to source for practical advice and support when considering if a divorce is the right answer for you. Join us each weekday for a quick chat where we'll uncover a variety of topics such as child custody, property division, and self-care. Together, we'll explore the emotional, financial, and legal aspects of divorce and help you find the best path forward for you and your family. Here is your host and Certified Divorce Financial Analyst Professional, Mike Fulkerson.
Hi, and welcome to Breaking Ties, Is Divorce the Answer? The podcast where we explore the complexities of relationships and the challenging decision of whether to get a divorce or not. I'm your host, Mike Fulkerson. I'm a financial advisor and Certified Divorce Financial Analyst Professional. Today, I want to take a moment to go over a topic that's often difficult and emotionally charged. How does the divorce process work? So join me as we navigate these questions and shed light on this significant aspect of many people's lives. Deciding to end a marriage is never an easy choice. It's a deeply personal and emotional journey that requires careful consideration. Many factors contribute to the decision to break ties, and it's essential to understand that every situation is unique. Today, we'll focus on the process itself, aiming to demystify the steps involved and offer insight for those contemplating this major life change. How does one even start the divorce process? Well, it typically begins with one or both spouses filing a petition for divorce in the appropriate court. This legal document outlines the grounds for divorce, which can vary from state to state. So it's important to consult with an attorney at this stage to understand the specific requirements and implications for your situation. Once the divorce petition is filed, the legal process begins. This involves a series of steps, such as serving the divorce papers to the other spouse, responding to the petition, and possibly negotiating the terms of the divorce settlement. Each of these steps can be emotionally taxing, and having a supportive network or a therapist can be invaluable during this time. Not every divorce has to be a courtroom battle. Many couples opt for mediation, where a neutral third party helps them reach an agreement on issues like child custody, spousal support, and the division of assets. This approach can be less adversarial and more cooperative, potentially easing the emotional strain on both parties. The culmination of the divorce process is the finalization of the divorce decree. The legal document officially ends the marriage and outlines the agreed upon terms. It's important to note that even after the divorce is finalized, emotional healing is an ongoing process, and seeking support from friends, family, or professionals can be critical. Life after divorce is a new chapter, and it's essential to approach it with self-compassion and a focus on personal growth. Rebuilding your life may involve finding new routines, rediscovering personal interests, and potentially establishing new relationships. Remember, seeking professional guidance and surrounding yourself with a supportive community can make the transition smoother. As we wrap up today's episode of Breaking Ties, Is Divorce the Answer? I hope this discussion sheds light on the divorce process and the challenges it entails. Remember, there is no one-size-fits-all to whether divorce is the right choice, but understanding the process can empower individuals to make informed decisions. I'd like to thank you for joining me today. And should you have any questions on today's topic or other financial planning issues, don't hesitate to give me a call or email. My information's in the description. Divorce is not the end of the story. It is the start of your next great chapter. Take care.
We want to thank you for listening to this episode of Breaking Ties, Is Divorce the Answer? With Mike Fulkerson. For questions, please reach out to Mike via email in the description or give him a shout at 630-444-1410. And remember to subscribe, like, and follow.